Looking for a white beach in Quezon? Tara sa Pagbilao! If you're living in Manila, Titans Beach Resort is one of the go-to destinations you can visit for a quick or long getaway with your family and friends. This resort is just 4 to 5 hours drive away from Metro Manila, and this beautiful island is located in Pagbilao, Quezon. There's a lot of things you can do at Titans Beach Resort. You can do island hopping and visit Biliran Sandbar and Cuevang Lampas. Cuevang Lampas is a cave that you can access via short swim or trek among the rocks. It is a small cave that has an opening out to the other sea. You can also swim to the other side of the cliff through the cave. Titans Beach Resort is also tagged as one of the best beach campsites. The island has no electricity during the day, but they have power at night, so don't forget to bring your own power bank. If you wish to visit this beautiful paradise, you may contact Kuya Ed on the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Nicky Vlogs for more DIY travel.